She's eating.
I need therapy after this. Why am I seeing you today, John? I ate a blazing wing.
She's eating a blazing wing,
I
boneless.
don't have to eat the whole thing, right?
No, just a bite. A big, decent sized bite.
That's like telling me to do suicide mission.
That's gonna help you.
Nope, you can't dunk it.
I was gonna dunk.
I didn't dunk it, I just drank the Grant.
Okay.
Don't let it touch your tongue, because that's when it hits you.
A little bit bigger.
Oh.
You're murdering.
Gotta touch that tongue. Gotta touch it, or you don't get no My Hero.
Chuck laughing at you.
Shut up.
Wimp.
What do you think of that?
She's salivating.
What'd you think of it?
I'm gonna tell you, I took a big bite. It wasn't, it's not as bad as the number 12 hot sauce.
You also didn't get raped because I had like the saltiest side of the freaking thing. It was a cloud sauce. I weakened it for you.